Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Precious. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my baby's hair that has helped her retain length, and the products I also use for her hair. This was her hair before and this is how her hair is now. So guys, if this is the kind of videos you love watching, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, before I do anything to her hair or apply anything to her hair, I love applying water to her hair because this helps soften her hair and makes everything I apply on it penetrates faster. Water helps soften the hair. So after massaging the water into her hair, the next step is to use the Ayurvedic hair butter. By the way guys, this hair oil and butter are my brand. They are from my brand. If you want to purchase, I will leave my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up on WhatsApp to get any of my products. Thank you. I know that some of you may be wondering why I did not apply the leave-in conditioner first. Sometimes this is how I do it, because my hair butter is very moisturizing. So sometimes I don't apply the leave-in conditioner. I just go in with the butter. I just go in with the water, the butter and the oil. That's it. So guys, keep watching, and whenever you apply the butter on your hair or your child's hair, please try to massage the scalp very well, because massages helps open the hair follicles. It helps to circulate blood around the scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth. So after applying the butter and massaging the scalp, you go in with the Ayurvedic hair growth oil or any oil of your choice. I use my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. This helps stimulate the scalp. It opens the hair follicles, which promotes hair growth, and it basically grows the hair. Yeah, it nourishes the hair, and at the same time it grows the hair. So yeah, while applying the oil on her scalp, I also love to massage her scalp, and this also helps to make the oil penetrate into her scalp. I know that so many of you will be wondering why I've not been posting. I've not been online for a while now. I'm so sorry guys. I've been so busy, family, business, school, everything. I've been so busy. I'm so sorry, but from now on I'll try and be posting once a while. So I'm so sorry guys. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.